Hey family, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be making overnight hair spray using papaya for super long hair growth. Guys, I'm on a journey to waist length and I'm trying to get my hands on things that can work for my hair. So in my videos I'm going to be sharing those DIYs with you. So if you want to be on this journey with me, simply subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new content. So papaya, commonly referred to as the fruit of the angels due to its multiple health benefits, is one of the most widely cultivated crops in the world. Both its fruits, seeds, and leaves are frequently utilized. This summer fruit contains high amounts of vitamin C and A. It aids in the removal of dead skin cells, encourages healthy cell turnover, and nourishes the hair shaft. If you have noticed a ton of dead skin and dandruff, why not give papaya a try? Papaya contains various nutrients and plant compounds with potential anti-inflammatory benefits such as papain, flavonoid, and vitamin E. Papaya leaf has demonstrated antifungal properties in test tube studies, so it's often thought to support hair and scalp health by inhibiting the growth of dandruff-causing fungus. Please, if you are allergic to papaya, you should not consume papaya leaves in any form whatsoever. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, you should consult your health care provider prior to consuming any papaya leaf preparation. Okay, with that being said, papaya contains another chemical called capain that kills off certain parasites and parasite infections. It contains a host of vitamins, acids, enzymes, and minerals such as magnesium, fiber, folic acid, vitamin A, B, B6, B1, etc. So what I would like to do is just to cut the papaya leaves. It's just papaya leaves we're using in today's video. Cut the papaya leaves, wash it thoroughly, wash it like at least 3 to 4 times because of the dirt. Then I would go over to my stove, boil water, and put the papaya leaves inside. So if you've watched this video up until this point, guys, please go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up because it helps me out a lot on my YouTube channel.
A few moments later.
So since these leaves are very hard, it takes about 10 to 18 minutes for the papaya leaves to extract all the goodness of papaya.
Five minutes later.
So the papaya is already has already extracted all its goodness, so I'm about to strain it now using this strainer. If you have used papaya before and it was very beneficial for your hair, please leave a comment in the comment section down below so I'll know all those natural hair people in my family. Okay, so just leave a comment down saying papaya was amazing, something nice, so that I would know you have used it. Alright, so that is what we got from the papaya. Look how it's looking. Some tea. But it's for the hair, right? So yeah, so it's hot right now, so I'm not going to use it now. I'll just allow it to cool off before I come back to it. So now it's cold and I'm going to use my spray bottle to pour the papaya juice or papaya tea inside. So it's already cooled now, as you can see. Just mixing it, shaking it up so it can mix up, and voila, it's inside the spray bottle. So it's time for the fun part, which is also the messy part, application part. So this is how it's looking. So you know I have cornrows on now as a protective style. I don't know why I was smelling the whole thing, but it didn't smell like, it didn't have the most amazing smell. Neither did it have like the worst smell. So yeah, I just went ahead and put the whole papaya juice or tea in between my cornrows and on top of my hair. So I'll just spray it in, massage it inside my my scalp so that it gets into my scalp and does all the wonders of papaya. So I love trying new things. If you have anything in mind that you want me to try, you can go ahead and leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be more than pleased to see such comments. So I go ahead and work this spray on the tips of my hair as well. This is me trying to check the length of my hair to see whether it has worked wonders. Of course, it's not going to work in a day, so you need to be very consistent with this kind of treatment before you can be able to see amazing results. So if you've liked this video thus far, please go ahead and give me a giant thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or if you just want to support me on my channel, please go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in my next video.